Yo, what's going on, my YouTube family? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. And in today's video, you guys, I want to discuss with you how to make the most money online possible. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing to make money online so that you can make the most money possible the fastest, right? I'm not going to be talking about how to earn any free PayPal cash on this video. The best thing about this is what I'm doing online works worldwide. And what's really cool about this is you build a real online business where you create passive income, where you create time freedom, where you can actually work from anywhere in the world, where you have time to hang out with your family. You create your own schedule, right? You work when you want. This is a real laptop lifestyle where literally you can make money while you are sleeping and create passive income. You guys, that is so extremely important. Understand this. I've been at it for so long, you guys. If you know anything about my story, I've been at this for 15 years, trying all kinds of different crazy businesses. All the way back from when I was in high school, I was investing in tax lien certificates. I got into real estate, got my real estate license, tried selling homes. You know, I was working with a multi-millionaire real estate investor that was flipping homes in the valley that I live in. And, I've tried all kinds of different MLMs where I've been chasing my friends and my family, trying to get them to buy lotions and potions and all kinds of different crazy products. And a lot of times they would buy these products just to support me. But I know what it's like to be in your position. And I know what it's like when you're trying to sell products to your friends and your family and they buy them just to support you. And, eventually they just stop responding to you and people start avoiding you. And, I want to share with you in this video how to do it right and how to do it the quickest way possible and how to build a real business online that can pay you passive income. This is what I wish I could tell myself. If I could go back to my 16-year-old self and I could tell myself, just do this and you'll find success, right? So if you're serious about making money online, this is the video for you 100%. So stick with me through this entire video because it will absolutely change your life. Now understand that what probably brought you to this video is you were searching free PayPal money, how to work from home, make money online, right? And you're looking for that quick buck to earn some free PayPal cash, to earn some gift cards or something like that. Or maybe you're looking for some type of MLM business. Maybe you were actually looking for an affiliate marketing business or something like that, right? Where you can actually start building a real business online, you guys. This is the video for you. Whatever brought you here, I want you to understand what I'm telling you right now is 100% real and it has the power to absolutely change your life. Because remember, I was in your position and I was doing this a year ago. I came to a place in my life where I just knew inside that I was worth so much more. And I knew that there were opportunities out there on the internet. And, I know what it's like to be sitting in your position and to just think that everything's a scam. And I get it, right? There's all kinds of videos on the internet where you just feel like you're being scammed. And a lot of times, maybe it's not a scam. It just takes so much work and time to create a small amount of money that's really not going to be life changing. And at the end of the day, what you're doing is you're trading your time for money, right? So if you're doing any of these things where you're watching videos or you're completing surveys and stuff like that, you're trading time for money. And you can most certainly earn some extra money doing that, for like food, clothes, maybe buy some people some gifts, but it's not going to be life changing money. See, I was at a place in my life where, to be completely honest, I had some life events happen. And I just really wanted to have time to be able to spend with my family so I could stay home with my young family, so I could watch them grow, so I could be at their sports, so I could take them to school, so I could spend more time with my wife. And I knew it was possible. I just needed to find the right vehicle. I needed the right information. I needed honest information. I needed to know what that guru knew that changed their life, right? Everything it feels so scammy. And I want you to understand, I've spent a lot of money and I've spent a lot of time, 15 years, you guys, wasting my time, my money, and failing over and over and over again. And I want to save you that time so that you can get started fast. What took me 15 years can literally take you 15 days with the right information. And the most important information that I can possibly give you is to understand that what you need to do is take action and take massive action and have the right information in front of you, a step-by-step blueprint that will tell you exactly what to do to build a successful online business. I want to share with you something that, really surprises me. And I think it has to do with just the way that we're raised and the way that we're programmed. And if you've ever read the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and if you haven't read that, I highly recommend that you check that book out. That was another book that absolutely, had a dramatic change in my life, a shift in my mindset that just let me know that it was possible. And I'm talking about possible for everybody. Everybody in the world, it's possible for you to become very, very wealthy if you get the right information in front of you and you take action on it. So what I wanted to say that actually, was really surprising to me is just how many people are willing to follow the system that's laid out for them and they don't think outside the box. And they're just willing to accept that they just go to school and then after they graduate high school, they go to college and they pay thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars and go into massive debt. And then they're not even sure usually what career field that they wanted to start in. And what ends up happening is they get so far in debt and they're so sucked into where they're at that they have to finish. And then they finish, and then now they're thousands and sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars in debt. And they have to go, start working these jobs, and they don't even like the job. And they have to stick with it. And what that's kind of called is being golden handcuffed, right? You've dug yourself into such an amount of debt that you're kind of stuck and you're just kind of committed now. And people live a miserable life for the rest of their life because they're in debt and they work a job that they don't really like. And your life and your time is so valuable and so very important. And it's really sad that people are so unhappy and have to work these jobs and they're just stuck. What happens after that is you start having kids and you buy a house, and then you buy vehicles and you get even more and more and more in debt, and you just can't quit that job, right? Whatever it is. And you went to school to do all this and you have so much time invested, and that's called being golden handcuffed. You're stuck, right? You're stuck in that system. And for the most part, you will never break out of the rat race by doing that. And what's really cool about what I'm going to be sharing with you is this can absolutely set you free, and you can do this in your spare time, and it's going to cost you a fraction of what it costs to go to college for years and years and years to learn something that you might not even like. And what's cool as well is it's passive income, and it's a online business. And if you're not paying attention to what's happening right now in the world, which is very, very scary and very, very bad, I get it. I completely understand, but everything has gone online, and the people that have an online business are thriving because what's happened is we went from the industrial age into the information age, and businesses that haven't transitioned are fading away because everything has gone online. Look at Amazon, right? Everybody pretty much has to have an online storefront to survive. So this is why it's so important that you start an online business and that you know exactly what to do, a step-by-step process. I have a whole team of experts that are willing to work with you and tell you exactly what you need to do to build your own online business, build it fast. And what's cool about this is you can pass this on down to your siblings, your kids, and when you can actually leave that for them and they can pick up after you. And it's just so exciting when you make an empowering decision to absolutely change your life. And I want to be a part of that, and I want to help you do that and see you succeed and save you the most time possible. Because if I could get back the 15 years that I lost trying to figure this out, that would just be everything to me. And I want to do that for you today. Now, if you're like me and you're tired of trading your time for money, and you're in a position in your life where you want to break free and you want to get time back on your side, you want to create passive income, you want to start an online business, and you want to be able to enjoy what's important to you in life instead of spending 9-10 hours a day at your job, spending time sitting in traffic and missing out on everything that's so important while you go to work every day and make somebody else rich. Why would you not work hard for yourself? Understand that every day that you're going to work, 99% of us are working hard to make somebody else filthy, filthy rich. Look at the CEOs of the companies that you work for. They make so much money. Why would you not want to be your own CEO and work hard for yourself so that you can become rich? Listen, you guys, I have the solution to your problem, and you can get started today. And it's literally so very cheap. Invest in yourself, make a decision, empower yourself. It's so liberating. And understand, this is not a scam. This is 100% legit. Get started today. If this sounds like something that you want to do and you're serious about changing your life, this is how you're going to get started. I've left a link down in the top of the description of this video. It's my #1 recommendation to make money online, you guys. And in 15 days, you can be up and running with your own online business, generating your first income online. Understand, understand this. This is for serious individuals that are ready to work. This isn't some type of scam. It's going to take some work, right? You're not going to sign up for this and literally you're going to open up your laptop and cash is just going to start falling out. But you can have very fast success if you take this very seriously, because it's a step-by-step blueprint with people that are helping you and telling you exactly what you need to do to create success fast. Imagine if you were going to go to the gym. People get personal trainers. Why do they get personal trainers? Because they tell them what to eat, they tell them how to work out so they get the best results the fastest. And this is the same, mindset that you should have when you start an online business. So check that out. It's in the top of the description, you guys. My #1 recommendation. You can also find that right over here in the top where that bright red arrow is over there where it says make money online here. You can click that. It will take you to the same location. And then you guys also, if you like videos about learning how to make money online, I have a ton of videos on this channel teaching you how to start making money online. You can start making your first dollars online right on this channel. There's literally hundreds of videos on here, taking my time to create those for you. So check those out as well. Make sure that you smash that thumbs up if you found any valuable content in this video, you guys. I greatly appreciate that. Show me some love. Make sure that you drop me a comment. Let me know that you were here. Let me know what you thought. Let me know where you're from. I always appreciate the comments. Don't forget to share this if you want to change somebody else's life. And, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. I hope to see you on the next one. Peace.